Let's make barbecue black bean tacos. Barbecue black bean tacos have this amazing flavor from sticky barbecue sauce and these zesty pickled onions, and then you can add whatever taco toppings you like. They're a one-pan dinner that takes less than half an hour to make. The textures and flavors in these tacos are just amazing. I can't wait for you to try them. The first thing you want to do is make the quick pickled onions. Slice up some red onion nice and thin, then stuff it into a jar with a smashed garlic clove. You don't have to mince the garlic clove, just kind of smash it so it opens up and all that garlicky goodness will come out while the pickles are marinating. Add the garlic clove to your jar too, along with some apple cider vinegar, sugar, salt, black peppercorns, and a little crushed red pepper for heat. Now heat up some water either on the stovetop or in the microwave, and then pour that over the onions just until they're completely submerged in liquid. Then close the jar and shake it really well so it'll mix everything together and help the sugar and salt dissolve. Set those aside to marinate while you make your barbecue black bean filling. You can use this filling in tacos like I am, but it's also great in burritos. I've also served it over like shredded lettuce for kind of a salad situation. You can do it in wraps, so feel free to take this filling and have a lot of fun with it. If you don't have black beans, you can do this with pinto beans or chickpeas too. Heat some oil in your frying pan over medium-high, then add some chopped onion, bell pepper, and garlic, and a little bit of salt. Cook until the onion and peppers start to brown just a little bit on the edges, and you want to be stirring once in a while to make sure that that garlic doesn't burn. Now add your black beans and barbecue sauce to the pan and cook for a little bit longer. You want to cook until the barbecue sauce is clinging to the black beans and everything is heated through. It should just take a few minutes. Now we're ready to assemble our tacos. Warm some flour tortillas either in the oven or the toaster oven or the microwave. Then pile on those sticky barbecue black beans. Add some pickled onions to your tacos and then use whatever other toppings you like. I like to top them with a little vegan sour cream, a little vegan cheddar, and then a sprinkle of cilantro. But you can also top them with chopped tomato, with green onions. You could top them with salsa. Use what you have to keep this dinner as budget-friendly as possible. These tacos are just absolutely amazing. You've got those soft tortillas and then those savory black beans with that sweet sticky sauce. And then you have the crunchy, tangy onions and then whatever creamy and veggie crunchy toppings you want to add. They are so delicious. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these barbecue black bean tacos. If you have any questions I didn't answer, drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!